What is your name?
Hey, I'm Tadeo Miguel.
And what's the name of your project?
My project is the Knowing July project.
How did you come up with the Knowing July project?
I came up with the Knowing July project mainly to exercise my right as an American to create artwork, to hear about social injustices, and to figure out a way to do something about it.
What is your project mission?
My project mission is to raise awareness and fundraise for social injustices and to tackle on the advocacy of transgender rights. What else do I really need to say besides this is the beginning art walk for me? I've never tried to live as an artist through my passions of social injustices and how to move forward with it. I'm finding my place as well as showing other people that they can have a place in the world. Just be as free as you can, and honestly, like my cup says, just be a nice human. So pick up the product, wear your body armor with the shirts. I'll be making hats soon. So just get out there, put yourself out in the world. Don't be afraid of anything. Always question authority. All right? What? What is my people? I love everybody. Peace and love.